O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket System Review. Today's review takes a close look at the O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop and Bucket System, a smart, hands-free floor cleaning solution designed to make everyday mopping faster, cleaner, and easier on your body. Design and hands-free wringing. The standout feature is the hands-free spin wringer. Using the built-in foot pedal, you can control moisture with precision, press more for a drier mop or less for a deeper clean. The splash guard keeps water inside the bucket, reducing mess while moving from room to room. Cleaning performance. This system uses advanced microfiber technology with millions of strands that trap dirt, grime, and pet hair using just water. It removes over 99% of bacteria, including E. coli and Staph, without harsh chemicals. It's safe for sealed hardwood, tile, laminate, vinyl, and more. Reach and maneuverability. The patented triangular mop head rotates 360 degrees, making it easy to clean corners, baseboards, and under furniture. The telescopic handle extends up to 48 to 51 inches, allowing comfortable, upright mopping. Maintenance and value. The microfiber mop head is machine washable and reusable, lasting up to 3 months per refill. Filters and chemicals aren't required, saving time and money. Final thoughts. The O-Cedar Spin Mop delivers powerful, chemical-free cleaning with excellent control and convenience. For current pricing and availability, check the product link in the description and the pinned comment.